Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, if you like that pasty Oregon tan that you get here in the wintertime, folks in the central Southern Valley have been basking in it for the past 5 to 6 days. Air temperatures really haven't gotten much above the mid-30s. Overnight lows have only fallen into the upper 20s, and that's made the temperature differential between the highs and the lows for about the past 6-7 days less than 4 and 5 degrees, an indication that thick valley fog, unfortunately, has been stuck right on top of us. Now, the good news is that is going to finally start to move out of the way, all courtesy of this cloud cover you can see to the west starting to move in. This is the beginning of a cold front that will start to bring more typical weather, meaning temperatures back into the 40s for us here in the valley, and a little more rain, too. So folks out at the coast that have been enjoying a nice 6-day stretch of 50s and 60s and sunny skies, well, the rain will start to help you remember that we are still in January. Now, there's a chance we could get some light freezing rain as that moves through early Wednesday morning. We'll watch that, and I'll detail more of that coming up in just a bit. First, let's see what we've got on tap for tonight. Sitting in the mid-40s out towards Blue River. Same thing in Cottage Grove. They got up to the upper 40s today. Nice afternoon for folks there. Down in Roseburg as well. The Umpqua finally saw sunny skies this afternoon. Socked in the fog here in Corvallis and Eugene. We've seen our visibility hover between about a half mile to a mile and a quarter, and that's probably what we'll see, unfortunately, for about one more day tomorrow. And out to the coast, temperatures now under mainly clear skies starting to fall back into the 40s. 29, 32. I'm not a math major, but I know that's not a whole lot of numbers in between those, and that is what we've been stuck in for the past couple of days, and kind of all over the map here on the highs, too. Got into the low 40s in Portland, 30s here in the valley, 52 down in Roseburg. How about 63 in North Bend? You think it's been cold here? It's about 9 degrees in Ontario today. They're going to see another very cold day out there tomorrow. So as the rain moves in early Wednesday morning, the question we have is, with the cold air at the surface, is that going to fall as sleet and or freezing rain? The short answer is probably. How much of that we see, and if any of it starts to accumulate, it's what we'll have to watch for overnight. But I want to give you an indication that may be the case. And again, freezing fog here in the valley, likely again tonight. So as both of these high pressure cells of these ridges start to break off to the east, that is going to allow this system to start to move north and that cold front to the south of that sweep on through the state. Now, it's weakening, as you might expect, as it runs into this massive dry air pocket, but it will hold together enough that by overnight into early Wednesday morning, we'll start to get that to move through. And again, those are going to be the trouble hours, probably as we head towards 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll get some of the warmer air to mix all that out, and it should just turn over to rain at that point. And as that front slides through, brace yourself. We may even see some pockets of sunshine on the back end of Wednesday afternoon. Wouldn't that be nice? So out to the coast, cloudy, turning cloudy, I should say, by tomorrow afternoon. Scattered showers on Wednesday, and then just some light drizzle Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday morning, that is, and then we'll see a couple other systems come through Saturday and Sunday. So foggy start. We'll see partly sunny skies tomorrow in the Umpqua, some scattered showers on Wednesday. Temperatures really don't budge much. We'll stay in the upper 40s to probably around 50 as we head into the weekend. In the Cascades, still above average, mid to upper 40s. You'll see the snow lines drop down to around 35 to 3,000 feet by Wednesday morning. Bend and Redmond, just a few clouds with temperatures around 50 tomorrow, mid-40s, and some wintry mix expected at times. And then we'll dry out again for a couple of nice days going into the weekend. And here in the valley, around 33 to 34 until you get down to Cottage Grove. They'll be in the upper 40s tomorrow. But then everybody's back into the 40s. Finally, the rain returns, and it's sort of like, wow, gosh, the rain's back. But that's the one thing that is going to get all this fog out of the way. So we need it.
It'll be nice to get visibility back.
Anything, and just a peak of sun would be nice at this point.
Thanks, Justin.